Helo, Cymru Hashiv and Jewish Misha Joseph and an Alaba agus Hami and Shaw le Facklin. I'm here today, Hami and Shaw le with Facklin. Facklin words. Today we're going to talk about religious words for Lent. So let's just go over now to our sheet so we can read some of them together. Right, these are the words we're going to go over today. Okay, so let's just begin by having a look at these. Right, so you'll see the first one there says Dhia. Dhia. Okay, and this one here with lenition has the H, and of course that changes the sound to year, year. So you have Gia and year, and if you remember, we've gone over this many times, the word marry, if you call to marry, she becomes Vari. For example, Mary is her name. Oh, hello, Avari, when we call to her. So if you're calling to God, it's a year. Now, this is really good if you're looking for words to meditate with. Perhaps you have no Gaelic and you're just looking for some religious words to go to bed with. Many people do, and this is a good one to try that with. You can just use the word Gia. Alternatively, if you want to call on him, it's a year, a year. Now, I've written a sentence here, just a little bit further down. Let me scroll. Here we are. This here, Gia and Tahar. Gia and Tahar. Okay, so you've got Gia, this is God the Father, Gia and Tahar. Okay. If you want to call to him, as I mentioned a moment ago, it's just a year. A year. If you were saying, oh God the Father, a year and Tahar. Okay. Blessings of God. Now, because this has of, okay, the word Gia is still united with the H, you can see it here, but it changes into a yay. Bianachach yay. Bianachach yay. Okay, so blessings of God, bianachach yay. And it changes, it doesn't look like this one or this one, because there's an of. And the of, the way it works in Gaelic, changes this word, bianachach yay. Right, next we have the word for Lord, and the same thing, it unites if you call on him. So it's actually Tighearna. Some people might say Tighearna, just to put a little bit of fluctuation in there. If you say it fast, Tighearna. And if you unite it with the H, it becomes Thighearna. Ahirna. Ahirna. So if you're calling on the Lord, it's Ahirna. Great word to meditate with if you're just beginning to learn. And lastly, we have this one, which means have mercy on me. So as you know, in Gaelic, everything is on you, at you, in you. And of course, we would normally say in English anyway, have mercy on me. It sounds old English these days, doesn't it? But we still say it religiously. So, Dèan, Tròcair, Tròcair, Orm, Tròcair. It sounds like there's an H in there, doesn't it? Tròcair. But the interesting thing about Gaelic is if you take that word here, okay, I'll just copy it so you can see what I mean. If you take this word, and it does sounds like it sounds like Tròcair. It sounds like this, Tròcair. Yeah, but that H, which comes after the C, there's another C appears, Tròcair. You can see here, it looks like simply Tròcair, but it's not. There's actually another C appears, Tròcair, Tròcair, Autumn. So this means have mercy on me. Let me explain this. Now, Dèan means make or do mercy on me, kind of like give me, Dèan. Dèan Tròcair, Autumn. Now, I'm going to put the H in here as well because it actually sounds a bit like the word throw, but without the H. Tròcair, Tròcair. So it's Dèan Tròcair, Autumn. And that means have mercy on me. Dèan Tròcair, Autumn. So don't forget that second C, because if you simply put the H in, it looks like Tròcair, but it's not. It's Tròcair, Tròcair, Autumn. Okay, so there we are. Tròcair, Tròcair. And that's it. Now, when we first started today, I mentioned the word, I said Hamiensho, lei Facklin. It's the same. It's written like this. Okay, it means I'm here with words. Hamiensho, I'm here with words. Okay, Facklin means words, and it sounds like Facklin. So notice again, there's a C pops up there. It's not Facklin, it's Facklin, like this. And the singular of the word is Facal. Again, sounds like Facal. I'll change that to a K as well, just to make it uniform. Facal, Facklin. Yeah, Tròcair. Well, I hope that makes it a little bit clearer, but yeah, be careful of that second C that doesn't appear to be in the spelling. Okay, so Tròcair, Facklin, Facal. Yeah, and these both, as I mentioned, we have words and word. And in Irish, it's actually like this. Okay, so it's quite common to see focal in Scottish Gaelic as well. So that literally would mean the word, as in the word of God. But like I say, this is an old Irish word, so it's very old and grand. But generally, these days, people simply use facal or facklin rather than focal or focalin. But you'll see that from time to time in official things. There we are. So that's some lovely words for you to meditate with. Just to go over them again, you have Dhia, Dhia, Tighearna, Thighearna. Remember, if you're calling, you would say first. Then you have mercy on me, which is Dèan, Tròcair, Autumn. Autumn is on me. Okay, and that changes depending on the person. And that's it. And just to be careful of these words, Facklin, Facklin, Facal, and Focal. I'm focal. Okay, so not as easy as it sounds. And that's